Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using subpar microphones that make you sound like you're recording in a tin can? The Logitech creator's Blue Yeti USB microphone for PC is here to change that. With its custom 3-capsule array, this professional USB mic produces clear, powerful, broadcast quality sound that's perfect for YouTube videos, Twitch game streaming, podcasting, and more. You'll be amazed at how rich and full your voice sounds, with a warmth and depth that's hard to find in other microphones. This microphone is incredibly well-reviewed and popular among content creators, and for good reason. The Blue VOCE software takes your recordings to the next level, with clear broadcast vocal sound and enhanced effects that make you sound like a pro. You can choose from 4 pickup patterns, including cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo, which allows you to capture a wide range of sounds and voices with ease. The onboard audio controls put you in charge, with easy-to-use buttons for headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and mic gain. Whether you're recording music, podcasting, or streaming games, the Logitech creator's Blue Yeti USB microphone for PC is the perfect tool for the job. The positionable design allows you to pivot the mic to optimize your sound quality, and the adjustable desktop stand gives you the flexibility to track your voice in real time with no latency monitoring. You'll be able to hear yourself clearly and make adjustments on the fly, resulting in a more polished and professional sound. With its powerful performance and versatile features, this microphone is a game changer for anyone looking to take their content to the next level. So why settle for mediocre sound when you can have the best? Give the Logitech creator's Blue Yeti USB microphone for PC a try and discover a whole new world of high-quality audio. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.